Hello, welcome everyone. So today I'll be dealing with chord voicing. Like I said in the previous video, there's a big difference between chord voicing and chord progression. Let's look at this for example. Look at this song. This is example of chord progression, okay? Other example of chord progression is 1, 4, 6, 5. Now I am dealing with chord voicing. Okay, for example, look at this chord, for example. Now this is the one, which is the tonic. How do you voice the one? One of the common ways of voicing the one is, okay, so right now I want to teach you how to come about chord voicing. So the first thing you want to do is know the chord you want to voice. So now we are voicing the tonic. Then number two, you have to create a vocabulary. So the chord we're playing here is triad, 1, 3, and the 5. So what you're going to do is translate the alphabet into numbers. So we have the C, the E, and the G. So the C is the 1, the E is the 3, and the G is the 5. So the next thing to do now is to assign chords to each of these notes. So that's why I said you have to create a vocabulary. So on the 1, you have your major. On the 3, you have your minor. And on the 5, you have your major. Okay, so on the 1, major. On the 3, minor. On the 5, major. That is the way to create chord voicing. I'll come to the left hand voicing later, but for now, I'll be using this pattern on my left hand. So right now, to voice our tonic for this song, so on the 1, we have this. Then the second thing to do is to invert it. So we have our first inversion and second inversion. So you can have that. So the next thing to do is to voice it on the 3, which is the minor. Remember the characteristics of a scale. 1 is major, the 4 is major, the 5 is major. So 3 is minor. So that's why we have the minor right there. So this is the minor. So when you have the 1, you can play this. Then the next thing to do is to do your inversion. So you take this to the top. And this is still your tonic. Now second inversion. So this is my left hand and my right hand. Second inversion. So when you're playing your chord 1 or your tonic, you can play this, or you can play the second inversion of the minor. Okay. Now the final thing we're going to do is to voice it on the 5, which is the major. So this is why you have to know your major scale, because now this is G major. So we are doing the 1, 3, 5 on the major. Right? So when you're playing your chord 1, from now on, you play this. Now the second thing to do is to do your inversion. First inversion, and the second inversion. Roots, first inversion, second inversion. Although I love this first inversion. This is the root, the first inversion. So when you want to play your one, so you can play from the root position in, then the second one, which is the minor, then the third one, which is on the fifth, and this is how you come up with fantastic chord voicing. In the next video, I will show you how to expand this same voicing. If you love my video, please love, share, and subscribe. Thank you.